Hi guys, it's Angie with Fun Endeavors Tie-Dye Lab. Today I'm making a patriotic shirt. My shirt has been prepped and I have it turned inside out. Then using a washable marker and a ruler, I'm going to divide my shirt into two sections. The top section I'm going to leave blue and the bottom section I'm going to do red and white. So my line that I drew across my shirt is a little bit higher than the middle of the shirt. Then I'm going to put another straight line going across my shirt, and this one I'm going to use to fan fold. Once I'm finished fan folding, I'm going to straighten out the fan folds on either side and tie it up with some kite string. I'm going to use a rubber band right at the end just to hold these folds in place until I can get it tied. I'm going to use my washable marker and ruler again and make marks every 2 inches on this bottom portion of my shirt. Where I've made those marks, I'm going to tie some kite string kind of as a guide for when I begin dyeing my shirt. I'm going to go ahead and put the rubber band back on the end of the shirt just to kind of keep things in place a little better. My last mark got lost down in my fan folds, so I'm checking to make sure I get my kite string put in the right place. After I have it tied up, I'm going to take my washable marker and make marks on every other section so that I know where to apply my dye. I'm going to do that on both the front and the back side. I'm also going to make a mark where my kite string is, just so that if when I get in the middle of putting my dye on, I kind of lose track of where my kite string is, I can maybe find it a little easier. Now the top part of my shirt, I'm going to scrunch it up and hold it in place with some rubber bands. Okay, now it's time to start applying the dye to my shirt. For this shirt, I'm going to use Dharma's Fire Red for the red area. And then I've taken a dye bottle and just put some plain water down inside of a dye bottle. Since I want to leave every other section of this bottom portion white, I'm going to put just a little bit of plain water in those areas so that it will hopefully hinder the red dye from running into those dry areas and making the whole shirt red down here. I know some of it is going to move over into that area, but hopefully I'll still keep some white space. I'm also going to put clear water in between the initial line that I drew to divide the top and the bottom of my shirt and my first line of red. I'm going to do this on both the front and the back side of the shirt. I want to make sure I get good color saturation on my red areas, but I don't want to super saturate those areas where the dye tries to run everywhere. For the top area of the shirt, I'm going to use Dharma's Midnight Blue. I'm only going to apply the midnight blue down to that initial line that I drew to divide the top and bottom of my shirt. I'm going to do the same thing on both the front and the back. Once I've finished applying the dye, I'm going to put my shirt down inside of a tub that has a rack down in it so that the shirt will not sit in any excess runoff dye. Put the lid on the tub and put it outside for a few hours. Then I'll bring it inside and let it continue to process for about 24 hours. Alright, so this is what our Patriotic shirt ended up looking like. Listen, if you guys are enjoying watching my videos, I sure would appreciate it if you would subscribe to my YouTube channel. All you have to do is hit the big red subscribe button. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you have a great day.